Yo guys, how's it going? AKMoto here. Today we will be installing a fresh seat cover onto my YZ125 seat here. So over here we have our fresh seat cover. It is a factory seat brand seat cover. You can get these fairly cheap for like 45 or so bucks if you watch out for a sale. I'll put a link in the description where you can find these seat covers. And yeah, I'm going to be trying this out. Don't worry guys, I'm not paid to show this product off or anything guys. But yeah, there was pretty reasonably priced, so I wanted to try it out. So for installing the seat cover, all we're going to need is a little staple gun, or you can use a manual stapler. Now, an air staple gun will make this a lot easier, just a lot quicker of a process. I wouldn't recommend an electric staple gun. Been there, done that, I tried to, but those just aren't really powerful enough. Really simple, hooked up to a little air compressor. But yeah, this should be more than enough for what we need. I believe this is like Harbor Freight's cheapest one. To remove the old staples out of the old seat cover, here I'm just going to be using a flat blade screwdriver as well as a pair of pliers. And just a quick reminder for anyone using any air tools like an air stapler, not necessarily a blow gun like that, you just want to make sure you keep it all lubed up. Here I have a little bit of air tool oil, which I'll be using in this bad boy. So here I'll show you guys the staples I'm using. I also got these from Harbor Freight. And yeah, it's just some 1/4 inch heavy duty staples. Got these straight off the Harbor Freight website, nothing too special. And should be enough for what we need. So guys, let's get this old seat cover taken off, and I will be saving it guys, don't worry, I'm not going to throw it away. It's still in okay condition, so we're going to be saving it. And keep in mind guys, this is going to be my first time ever putting on an actual seat cover. I've tried once in the past with an electric stapler, but that just didn't get me anywhere. So today, I have all the right tools, so let's get right to this. Alright guys, we have our old seat cover off. Now we're going to give the seat foam a quick little dust off with some compressed air. Then we'll fit up our new seat cover. I'll be stapling down the top nose here, then I'll do the back, and then I'll do the sides, and then front back or back front, whichever goes first. This seat cover here is made of a pretty stretchy material, so it should be pretty forgiving. Alright guys, there we go. Our fresh seat cover is now on, and I'm actually really surprised on how easy this cover went on, judging that this is my first ever time putting on a seat cover. I'm super pumped on how it came out. It's going to complement the graphics so well. What I really like about this material is it's really stretchy and flexible, so hopefully this will help out with the comfort factor on the bike overall. Let me know what you guys think of the seat cover in the comment section below. If you guys want to change anything with the colorways, or if you like it how it is. We'll have to see how it looks on the bike, but I think it's gonna look super sick. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Again, let me know how you like this cover in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like the video, share it with your friends, and yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.